Right, so now I'm just going to make a tomato salsa. So I've got my tomato, I've got some red onion, I've got some tomatoes, cucumber, lemon, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of white wine, vinegar. What else have I got there? I've got a little bit of ketchup, a little bit of Heinz ketchup. Okay, so first things first, onion. So I've got a nice small dice of onion. So I'm just taking out the outer layers of that red onion. Just going to cut down. So we get the nice strips till it 90 degrees, and then we're going to cut across to get the nice small dice of onion. Like so, looking good, looking real good. Okay, so there's the onion. Okay, lovely. Push that bit to the side. So I've also got one chilli. I've de-seeded the chilli to get rid of all that heat. Still got some heat in there, obviously, but the seeds are where the most potent heat is, so we'll get rid of them. And then I'm also just going to dice this down. So again, strips. Okay, so we've got those nice little battens or strips, 90 degrees, and again, cut across. So we get a nice dice of chilli. Oh, there we go. Scrape that there, push that to the side. Okay, so I've done that, I've done that, I've done that. Now, I've got a little bit of cucumber. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to take off some of the, keep it straight, one there, don't want that bit. Okay, taking off the outside. I'm just using these nice firm bits of the cucumber. Okay, what I'm going to do is cut it into strips, like so. So at 90 degrees, and again, cut it across so we get a nice dice. So, and then I'm just going to keep all the dices, roughly the same size. Okay, strips, 90 degrees, cut across. There we go. Okay, that's a cucumber. Now I'm going to do a little bit of tomato. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to take the seeds out. I've got some old bits of tomato here, but to use. So let's take the seeds out. Seeds gone. Let's put them over there. Seeds out of that one. Take the seeds out of that one. Let's take the seeds out of that one. Blomp. I think. Okay. And again, what I'm going to do is I'm cutting it into strips, and then 90 degree angle, and then cut across, and we get a nice little dice of tomato. Ooh, okay. Okay, one more. 90 degrees. A little dice. Little dice is looking nice. A little dice is coming nice. Okay, again. Across. Okay, lovely. So we've got diced red onion, chilli, cucumber, tomato. It's looking good so far. It's looking good. Now I'm getting a bowl, or a dish, or whatever this is. It's a bowl, right? Okay. Strap it all in there. Try not to get it on the floor. Okay, so we give it a quick mix up now. You can see it's looking pretty colourful. So what I want to do now is I just want to add a little bit of lemon. So and just squeeze that in there. Just cut off the cheek of the lemon. I'll just squeeze it in. I also want to add some olive oil. I'm also going to add a little bit of tomato ketchup. And I'm also going to add a little bit of white wine vinegar. That's not too much, just a tiny bit. And then we're going to put a little bit of sugar. You've got the sugar and the white wine. It's going to give that sweet, sour taste as well. So a little bit of that in there. A little bit more. Okay. And now, if you see that now, I'm just going to give it another quick schmoozy. Give it a good mix. Keep it in the bowl. Okay, now that's looking lovely. little bit of salt. A bit of salt in there. Okay. Now I've got some coriander. So what I do is just pick some of the leaves off the coriander. Leaf off, leaf off, leaf off. And again. Leaf off, leaf off, leaf off, leaf. Coriander kind of into a little ball, and then I'm going to cut across. And I can drop that in. Okay, how are we doing? Let me just have a quick look. So that is looking. So this, I'm gonna, can we see that? Lovely, lovely, lovely jubbly. Okay, let's give it a good taste. It's like boom, 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 boom. Bing, bing, bing. All the different flavours. Oh, okay. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to do a little, like a little salad, just so we can, just so I can just shut off a little bit. So we've got a bit of baby gem lettuce, baby gem there, look. 3 of them. I've got some of my buffalo soldier, no, buffalo mozzarella. Buffalo soldier. Okay. Give that a quick rinse. Just do a couple of slices of this, nice and evenly cut. A couple of them. So I'm just going to put those on top of the baby gem, like so. And then, okay, let's just stick them there a little bit, and that there a little bit. Okay, you know what? Let's do that. And then just to have a look at this. So that's just baby gem and mozzarella. Now just you can have a look at the dressing on the salad, like so. And then look at that. So colourful. It's colourful. So that's my. So let's just have a quick look at the tomato salsa. So it's got tomatoes, cucumbers, red onion, a bit of white wine, vinegar, ketchup, olive oil, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Ka-ching.